How much matcha powder should pop up? Matcha drink stands use per drink. Most stands should use about 2 to 3 grams of matcha powder for a standard drink, adjusting slightly for drink size and strength. For a 12-ounce matcha drink, start with 2 grams, which is roughly 1 level teaspoon, and use 3 grams for a stronger flavor or a 16-ounce drink. First, sift the powder into a small bowl so it does not form stubborn lumps. Add about 2 ounces of warm water, ideally between 160 and 175 degrees Fahrenheit, because boiling water can make matcha taste bitter. Whisk quickly in a zigzag motion until the mixture looks smooth and lightly foamy. Then add milk, water, ice, and sweetener according to the recipe. A useful detail is that matcha is made from the whole tea leaf, so it contains more flavor and caffeine than ordinary brewed green tea. Using too much powder can make the drink gritty, overly bitter, and expensive without making it much better. For consistent sales, weigh the powder with a small digital scale and record the exact amount that customers prefer. One common mistake is measuring with a heaping spoon, since every scoop may contain a different amount, so use a level spoon or, better yet, a scale. Another mistake is mixing matcha directly into cold milk, which often leaves dry clumps, so make a smooth concentrate with warm water first. Some stands also use the same amount for every cup size, but larger drinks usually need a little more powder to keep the flavor from becoming weak. Keep the matcha sealed away from heat, light, air, and moisture, because those conditions quickly dull its color and taste. Opening a fresh container regularly is better than storing a large amount for months. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.